Here I'm unboxing a K11-125. This is approximately 5-inch 3-jaw chuck, and it's from vevor. So it's pretty cheap, 80 Canadian, shipped. Comes with a little, I guess, instruction manual. Specs for all the 3-jaw chucks. So this is third smallest and gives you the range of clamping, etc. Okay, it's pretty cool. We actually included something, and appears to be only in English, but somewhat understandable English. In the box here, you can see the reversible jaws, all packed. Screws to mount for some of the lathes. The lathe it's going on is actually a cheap Chinese lathe, so it actually uses this strange spindle where you can mount directly. Key, well, thank God it doesn't have the spring. And here it's the chuck. It's actually branded vevor, okay. Let's see. It's nicely loaded with some grease. 3000 RPM is actually not that fast, but definitely faster than the lathe can go, maybe 2000. Well, it doesn't seem to be having any rust issues. Some sharp edges here. I assume this is going to work with the supplied chuck key. Let's see. Doesn't go too smoothly. It's actually, there's something gritty there. Again. So, well, what do you expect for 80 bucks Canadian? So it needs some, it has some lubrication in it. Maybe it has some grinding dust as well. So not very smooth, but she moves. Let's see. Not so bad. I mean, the edges here are all sharp. But the edges usually touch, like here, it's fine. This is nicely edged. There's even some oiling hole here. Yeah, I'll probably open this up and inspect, add some grease, and should be good to go.